I am here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I've just met a good friend. Can you say hi to my friends
Hello, friends. How are you doing?
from here in Atlanta? We're at the Alumni Dinner.
Actually, I come from Connecticut,
From
but I
Connecticut.
retired in Atlanta.
Oh my goodness! And it's such a blessing to meet her. We're checking out each other's wardrobe. She's looking beautiful.
Oh no, and I'm looking at it. Oh, this bling, bling, bling.
You know, that's just how we do. That's how we rock. I'm a pearl girl.
Okay.
And so I was telling her she looks marvelous. Doesn't she look good?
Well,
You look good. And I just want to say hi and thank her for coming up to greet me because it's just what we do on the Gloria Bower Show. We're always meeting new friends.
right.
And tell them your name.
My name is Ernestine Brown. Remember that name because I'm about to write a book.
Okay.
And it's going to be a bestseller.
That's
it's
right.
called Bonnie's Quest, and it's about two slaves who fall in love.
Wow, how about that? And so Bonnie Brown.
Yeah, Ernestine Brown.
Ernestine Brown. Y'all
Right.
remember that?
Right.
That I met her right here in Atlanta at the Commerce Club on the 49th floor. So y'all stay tuned. A lot of great things will be coming your way tonight from Atlanta, Georgia. Gloria Bower.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.